Hey Cinnabon, thanks for waving at me. How you been today, huh? It's a hot day. I wasn't gonna pick berries, but I think I'm gonna wait until tomorrow morning when it's a little cooler to pick berries. Then we'll make some more jam. What do you think about that? You think it's gonna be fun, buddy? I agree. It's gonna be a great time. Make some jam with Cinnabon. On this next batch of jam, I'm gonna can it, keep it in a cupboard for a year, and see how it fares. What do you think about that, Cinnabon? Ooh, got a burn in your tail. This one feels big. Ooh. You can come inside and relax now. You can play with the silver one, maybe, or I think he prefers the orange one. Honestly, look, yeah. What do you think, buddy? Do you prefer the orange? Yes. Here, let me help you with this. Ooh. Uh-oh. Hey, buddy. Do you want to play? Do you want to play? Are you too tired to play? You too tired to play? Yeah? You know, it's been a while since we tried catnip. Do you want to try that instead? Yeah? Alright, I'll get some out. Just for you. We have some catnip from Cinnabon, the same as we've done before. It's been a while. Probably a month. What do you think about this, buddy? You want some catnip? You want to try some catnip? Such a bad influence. Okay, we'll get some out, okay? I'll put it on the floor. Okay, I have just a pinch of catnip in my hand. Oh, there you go. It's gonna be... And Cinnabon wants it. You want this catnip, buddy? You want it? Let's put it in the ground. Whoop. There we go. Well, it's getting in his whiskers. He's eating it too. Okay. Now the last time we tried this, last time we did this, there was a delayed effect, wasn't there? I don't know if you should be eating that, buddy. But I don't think it's a problem. It's a little vacuum. Look, he's sucking it all up. You feeling okay, buddy? He's gonna be messed up. I only did a pinch. I don't want to give him an OD, right? You feeling okay, buddy? You gotta pace yourself. When did they legalize catnip? Actually, you know, it might not even be legal for cats. Maybe it's legal for humans to buy, but not cats. Could that be the loophole? Or possibly Cinnabon has his card, right? Get your little dispensary card from the doctor. So he seems okay. He seems okay. At a first glance, everything appears to be normal. What do you think, buddy? Are you okay? It took a few minutes last time to get him to act silly. Well, you gonna be okay, little buddy? You're gonna be okay. Want to play now? Get that blood flowing. Yeah, get that running through your veins, huh? There's your little orange crinkle ball. BB-8 edition from Star Wars, I think it was. There we go. Gotta drop it down the stairs. No? Oh, hi, little buddy. Oh, another burr. Got it. Oh, good boy. Oh, no. So far, he's acting fairly normal. Hasn't kicked in yet. Last time he bit me pretty good. That's okay. You can bite me. Ooh, it's nice and cool down here. Yes. We're chilling next to the North Korean shelf here. Yes, that is a North Korean bayonet. It's a Type 58 AK bayonet that was intended for the Cubans. And somehow it ended up here. It's pretty interesting. What do you think about that, buddy? Ooh. Ooh. There we go. You okay, buddy? You having a good trip so far? Hmm? Not yet, huh? We'll give him a few minutes to let it kick in, huh? Well, it's been a few minutes, but I'm not sure if he's gonna do anything yet, huh? Yeah? Uh-oh, maybe I'm wrong. What is that? Is that a crinkle ball? Oh no. Oh no. Ooh. Hi. How you feeling, little guy? Go get it. You go get that crinkle ball. You go get the crinkle ball. We got the string down here too, buddy. Maybe I'll react to the string more. Oh. He's careful when my hands around. He's a careful little kitty, aren't you? Very gentle. You gonna get it? What do you think? You gonna get it? Whoa! There we go. Haha, look at that. Good basketball player. Whoop. Ooh. Uh-oh. Where'd it go? You gonna get it? Look at his leg, how funny he looks. Little L-shaped kitty. Or a Y if you count his tail. You just gonna chill now, buddy? You just gonna chill in this deck? Let's see if we can get downstairs. I'll let him tear up those steps. Yeah, what do you think, buddy? Come on, let's go downstairs, okay? Ready to go downstairs? Hmm? Look what we have here. Cinnabon. Look what I brought with me. Maybe we'll throw the crinkle ball to get his attention. Hmm? No? Oh, there he is. Whoa! Where did that come from, buddy? Whoops. Uh-oh, you gonna get it? Oh, look, I caught a fish. A catfish. It's a detonation cord. Oh no. How scary would that be? How scary would that be, little buddy? He's not really reacting to the catnip. Should probably give him more. Get it, get it. Stacking you. It's like a velociraptor. Attacking the T-Rex. Come on. You don't care. He's more interested in the string than the intentional cat toy, huh? Uh-oh. Whoa. He's a pro. He knows exactly how to grab stuff. Don't ya? Yeah. Oh, oh, oh. He's not attacking me as much as he used to. Maybe that catnip lost its potency, hmm? Or maybe we just have to wait a little bit. Arr. There we go. That's more like it. I really want to try to get him on the basement stairs. That's when he really freaks out. Let's see if we can kind of coax him into getting there. Come on, buddy. Oh, what a nice kitty. Let's pet him. Oh, let's pet the kitty. Oh. Oh. Got your leg. Come on. I swear he just stood up on his hind legs for a second. How impressive. Woo! Come on, buddy. There we go. These are the steps you can really take your frustration out on. Oh, getting away. Getting away. Come here, Cinnabon. Come here, buddy. Come here. Come here. Come here, little buddy. I know you're there. Oh. Look who decided to show up. Oh, oh no. Whoa. Careful, buddy. Oh. Oh, gotta get my hand. I think he's obsessive about washing himself. If only people were the same way, right? Whoa! Check that move out. Busting out some crazy moves, Cinnabon. That for sure has a delayed effect. Hi! Oh, let's get a little petting break in between, huh? Not attacking me like he normally does. Oh, oh. Mm-hmm. What a nice cat. Oh, whoa. Hello, hello. Ooh. Okay, that's a warning. I'll leave you alone. Oh, peekaboo, peekaboo. See the look in his eyes? He's going crazy. Uh-oh. What you gonna do about that, Cinnabon? What you gonna do about that? Hmm? Uh-oh. Boop. Boop. Are you pooped? Are you pooped now? Yes? Oh. Yeah? Are you ready for this to be over? Okay. Well, I'll bring this upstairs if you want to play with it later. A stupid call interrupted that video. Well, we'll just cut that out, won't we? It was on cue anyway, right? You just gonna chill like clockwork. This is a special little chill spot. Hmm? Oh, yes. What a good kitty, huh? What a nice little kitty. Oh, I. Okay. Mm-hmm. You ready to call it quits for now? That's okay. We'll play later. It's Friday. We got the whole weekend ahead of ourselves. Yes. Yes, we will play all weekend. Mm-hmm. All right, folks. I'm going to sign off for now. Thanks for joining us, and I hope you all have a great Friday night or Saturday night or Sunday night. Whichever night it is, I hope it's a great one for you all. Bye-bye.